Yes, but even though it's getting colder, there are still people who are outside trying to take advantage of this glorious day before, of course, winter returns, because there is a cure for this spring fever, and it's a snowstorm.
Don't break it!
The blooms may only be balloons right now, but spring is in the air on the Boston Common.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Julio Tavares and his daughter Sienna are taking advantage of the unusually warm weather.
Oh, we're going to just be out all day, play the playground, go for a boat ride.
People ditched the jackets and broke out the shorts to soak in this break from winter.
So it's like kind of funny how like we were out skiing yesterday and then now we're here and it feels like spring.
I get to see all the birds and trees, and I could go outside for basically a whole entire day.
While the playground may be packed today, temperatures will soon slide downward with snow coming Friday.
It's a little bit of a tease, right? I mean,
We're really excited because it's all warm and then tomorrow we're gonna be shoveling snow.
At Charles Street Supply in Boston, winter supplies are available, but gardening seems to be on everyone's minds.
People are pumped. Oh yeah, people are buying seeds, they're buying planting stuff. I keep saying you're a little early, but that's okay.
With school vacation week underway, the swing in temperatures may be easier for parents to handle, and the kids find the fun in either extreme.
I like spring.
What do you think about getting snow on Friday?
And I like snow.
So the lesson there from Clara is that you can like both spring and a snowstorm as well. One of the things the warm temperatures, though, had a negative effect here was that the ice rink at the Frog Pond actually could not open until about 4 o'clock today because of those warm temperatures. Coming up at 6, we'll tell you more about how this roller coaster weather affects people with seasonal affective disorder. Live on the Common, Sarah Kahn, GW, CVB News Center 5.